And there's nothing more upsetting, especially if you don't have the fabric or you've spent all that time. And I've done that. I've done that. What you can do if that does happen to you, and if the tear is on the end, turn the ear back, turn both ears back so that they're inside out, and then make sure you trace a line, and then just sew a little further down and do the same on both ears. Because again, it's appearance. Somebody will notice.
Will notice, yeah.
So now I have my ears. The arm is one of the ones that is really fun to turn because it's a narrow, skinny part. Especially if you're working with very thick fur, it can be quite hard to turn apart. I'm having to use quite a lot of pressure, and you see what I mean here by have some more fur. I promise I'll vacuum before I leave. And I like to brush out the seams, and it does. It sheds a lot, especially down the bottom here now where the nap is in the opposite direction. There we go. Done this a lot. So yes, I make it look easy, but I've done it a lot. So now I have a very fluffy arm, but you can see that I have a nice nap direction. Let's brush. And by this point in time, I have, if you haven't fray checked these edges and you are concerned, because sometimes the newer furs that are coming out are a very loose weave, and at this point in time you realize how much they do pull apart at the edges, you can still fray check. You can still put it on now even though it's turned. So it's not a